So today, kagigising ko lang. Medyo kanina pa naman, mga around 6, 7, ganon something. And it's already 8 o'clock. And, yeah. Look at the sky. Halata na agad na medyo kulimlim. So, today, ang agenda ko today, pwede ng aking susuotin. And ang aking shoes over there. So, yun yung white net. So, mag-ano lang ako today. So, samahan niyo ako. Tara. So, actually, ilang years na yata itong whitey ko sa akin. Pero ngayon lang ako mag-upload kasi chika ko muna sa inyo. Remember, ang pangit ng lightning. Turnan ko lang siguro yung light. So, yeah. Remember nung vlog ni Sir Gavin about pangarap na tao. It was Sir Kong TV, and I also watch Ting Paiman's vlog, especially Sir Kong, and yeah, I remember that line na I'm realizing it, wait. Yeah, I remember. Akat Escobong, aim for in the sky, and if you fall, you'll fall on the roof, not on the ground. So, why not? This is just a chance. There's gonna lose anything from me. And it will also become a motivation. Yeah. So, I need to prepare kasi saan pa ba ako patungo? So, yeah. Hindi ko na po saan patungo nito, pero tara na. Kasi it's already 8. And enrollment day. Kasi dito. So, hey guys. Asa school na ako. Hindi ko na kasi sinabi sa biyahe kasi ang gulo. So, yeah. I'm walking. Pero hindi pa ako pauwi. Ito lang akong baywalk. Ako lang kasi kanina kumakain ako. Hindi kasi pinagawa ko yung isang phone. Kasi kasi walang magagamit si Papa na sira yung LCD ng phone niya. So, pinagawa ko yung isa. So, yung isa parang password lang yata yung sira. So, yeah. My white shoes with these shoes. Yeah. The walking.
2,000 years later.
So, nasa baywalk na mi. Then the view, and then dami.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, pauwi na ako today. I'm actually walking na punta sa sakayan ko. So yeah, I'm home guys. I'm home. Hindi na ako mag-base na nila ako pag-bye. Bye-bye and see you on the next video. Keep this like, comment and share and also subscribe. Bye.